Today I'm going to show you all how to make restaurant style grilled chicken burger. So please note down the ingredients for this. You can take any burger buns. You can bake them at home or ready-made from market of any flavor according to your taste. I have taken 2 plain sesame seed burger buns. For this, here I have chicken breasts. For 2 burgers I've taken 2 chicken breasts. Now here I have taken iceberg. If you want, you can use lettuce leaves, but I prefer icebergs because they're more crispier, more crunchier. So iceberg leaves here I have taken. Then tomatoes, 1 egg, crushed garlic 1 teaspoon, 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain flour, this is maida, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh breadcrumbs. If you don't have, you also get these breadcrumbs in market, but if you want at home, you can just take 2 to 3 slices of bread and just churn them in a blender and you will get this fresh breadcrumb. Then a few slices of cheese, black pepper, mayonnaise according to your taste, your flavor, lemon mayonnaise, mint mayonnaise, anything as per your taste. So now we will start making our burger. We will take this egg in a small dish and add little water to it and just beat it lightly and keep it aside. Now we need, you can take any parchment paper or any cling film, or here we will take 1 chicken breast and place it here like this, and on this we will keep another piece of cling film, and with any kitchen hammer or any hard thing, you just need to beat it like this, just flatten it, sort of, it will flatten also and it will get a round shape. See, it just takes 1 minute or so, and see, now we flattened this also, this is flattened also, and sort of round also it has become. So same way we will repeat the same process with our other. See, like this it is so thick and fat, so now when we just beat it lightly, it will be flatten a little bit and also become round. So lightly from center we start doing it. Same way our second chicken patty is also ready here. So now we'll take it out in a plate. Both our chicken patties are ready here, see. In a bowl we will first take this flour, maida. To this I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of breadcrumb. See, this is optional even if you don't want, but I prefer it because it makes a patty more crunchy, more crispier. So I like to put it. If you want, you can avoid it and take only flour, only maida. Now we'll add little salt to the flour and some black pepper and mix it nicely. And now we will keep this aside. Now we will take our chicken patty. Here the egg that we had prepared we'll put in a flat based bowl. We will take these chicken patty, and see, I like to sprinkle some little black pepper and little bit of salt. Though we have put salt in our flour, but put little bit of salt and also little bit of garlic on both the patties here like this. You can also turn and again repeat the same process. If you want, you can also omit this garlic if you don't like the garlic flavor too much. It is not a must. You can make just simple patty with little bit of salt and little bit of black pepper. Now what we will do is, here I'm going to take this patty and dip it in this egg and then just roll it in this dry flour mixture here like this. Same with the second burger patty. See here, dip it in egg and again roll it in this dry flour and breadcrumb mixture. Now we will grill these chicken breasts on a grill pan here. This grill pan here and taken little oil on it, and now we will place our chicken breast here. Same way the other one also. Here. And now reduce the flame and let it cook on medium flame for approximately 4 to 5 minutes, and then we will check. Here now friends, we will just turn them and see how nice they are looking. Nice, you see what lovely color they've got. Golden brown, and they are getting nicely roasted. So now we have turned the side, and now we will leave them on medium flame again to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Friends, here now are these chicken breasts are done. They are cooked. See, it takes a little time. I turned them 2 to 3 times, and it has taken approximately 12 to 15 minutes on medium heat to be cooked. If you want, you can deep fry them, heat the oil, then on medium flame it is going to take 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. Otherwise it will not be properly cooked from the center. So on medium heat you must either grill them, roast them, or fry them. Now we will also heat these burger bases here. And take them out. Same way we will keep the other burger bun. If you want, you can add some butter at this time. If you want, you can grill them in your OTG, your oven, or on this grill pan or simple tawa, anywhere according to your convenience. So now we will take this also out, and our chicken patties are also ready. Now we will off the flame and prepare our burgers. Now we will take this base of the burger bun, apply mayonnaise of any flavor or cheese spread or butter according to your taste, and then on this we will place these iceberg petals, as many according to your this thing. They're very crispy and nice and healthy. If you want, you can add onion rings. If you want, you can also omit the tomatoes. So according to your taste, you add the things. Now here are nice and crispy, such big burger patties. See here, so nice. Here it is going to taste delicious. And now on this we'll again add the cheese slices. If you want, you can put more mayonnaise here on this also, and you can also put ketchup here. And now to put some more mayonnaise, and here our burger is ready. Such tempting and delicious chicken burgers are ready now, and now we will serve them in a plate. Dear friends, our delicious and tasty burgers are ready. See, you can serve them with your any potato fingers, wedges, cheese fingers, and with any dip you want, or tomato ketchup according to your taste, your desire, and it is really going to be delicious. and children and elders, everyone is going to love these burgers. So hope it was very easy for all of you. You will all try this recipe at home and enjoy your delicious chicken burgers. Thank you, friends.